Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you about adding images to a web page. Please, after this video, don't forget to like and share for more. And to adding image, we just need to add the image source tag, which is the img src. This img stands for the image. This src stands for the source. And earlier I taught you linking, which is you saw the equals to sign and the quote, and it's still in the image too. So this quote, remember I told you that the quote tells us to insert URL. So this image source, I'm going to tell you how to insert the URL of a picture. We'll move to our local file. We'll go to our pictures. You can see you right click at the image, you go to the properties, the security. As you can see, the highlighted text there is the URL of this image. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to insert the URL here. The one, in case you inserted a URL, you see a file here, you need to delete it because it's not part of the URL. You can see it is not part of the URL. And just watch, if I load this in the web page, it won't show. So I'll save it. Let's add. I'll hit the save button. I'll go to my page, my web page, open Google Chrome, and you can see the image shown here. Now let's look at what caused this image. You right click at the browser, view page source. You can see, or you use inspect. So after I click at the inspect, I saw console. I clicked it and you see failed to load the source net, ERR file not found. So we need to go to our code editor. We'll remove this, we'll save again and go to our browser. We will load. You can see the image I copied earlier. You can see the image. I copied it earlier. Now you can see the image. Then if I have to add in a browser, some people always add this. Though when these pictures show, they'll write something like, please, the internet connection is slow. How did I write it? I'm gonna show you how to write that. You write here Alt. You can see the equals to sign and the two quotes, which is telling you to insert what will be shown in the browser. So I'm going to write this. Connection. I save. I go to my browser. I forgot to insert that. Or if you don't want that, you can just insert anything else that doesn't come with the URL I save. You can see, please, the internet connection is slow, be patient. But when I don't insert this alt, I remove it. I save it, I reload the page. It's only going to show this small image. That's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you.